Alright, giving you an update on the 1980 Richard Petty car that I'm building. I've got basically the chassis and roll cage done, also the rear suspension. I do need to add this arm yet. I gotta paint it and everything. Haven't done that yet. The interior is basically done. I've got the engine done with the exhaust on it already, which I'm going to put in later, but I still need to put in the coolant tank and the oil filter yet. I still got to paint those, put those in, but I will show you that you can put the engine in with the exhaust all done. So once you get all the way in there and then push it down, it should be fine. I still may, so I've got touch up silver here, and then I still may do the heat treatment on it with an airbrush, give it the staining of hot exhaust. Still have to do that yet. And then I've got the front suspension I need to do. It's all painted, I just got to put it in there. Then it'll be decal on the body. Then we're pretty much done. So thank you for watching and have a good one.